Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'll be using expression braid extension in color 33 to make this beautiful braids, and I will be doing knotless braids. This knotless braid is sleek. Guys, watch this video to the end because this video is giving. This knotless braid is well detailed and is basically for beginners. So if you have been making your knotless braid and it seems very heavy and not lightweight and the pattern is not giving, please watch this video to the end because this video is actually very nice. And if you enjoyed this video to the end, please leave me a comment in the comments section, and please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever a new video is on my channel. That being said, I am making this knotless braid. You know, it's a box knotless braid and it's so lightweight and so sleek and so beautiful. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comments section. So please enjoy this video, and compliment of the season to each and every one of you that has been supporting my channel and subscribing and watching my videos. I really want you guys to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. Have the best of the season, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise.